Hi, welcome to the Elementary Technology and the Visualiser Shop Customer Experience Centre. Today we're going to review the Aver U50 Visualiser. So I have the visualiser here and I connect this to my PC or laptop with a USB cable that provides the power and also allows you to use the provided software. So let's have a look at the software. The software supplied is called Sphere 2. It's very simple and powerful software. So I double click and it opens and we'll see what's underneath the visualiser. I'm going to put that onto full screen now. So as you can see, I have a document, one of our visualiser guides underneath, so we can start teaching our class using this document. First things first, I can operate it either from my touchscreen or interactive whiteboard or through a mouse. So through the software, very simply, I can zoom in, really good quality image for a visualiser of its price. I can also rotate the image, etc. if I wish to, and autofocus. The unit itself also has controls on the head where I can also autofocus from here. I can turn an LED light on or off, and I can also press a single button to capture whatever I'm wanting to save to my PC. But let's do some annotations. So for example, I might wish to highlight an area of the document or 3D object we're reviewing via the visualiser. So I simply tap the software, really nice smooth annotation tools. I can highlight areas here. Very powerful to digitally work over an analog image if you like. I can also go into here and just clear those annotations away. One thing that we really love using this visualiser is I can record video. So if I press the video record, I then have the option to set the video recording. Now this is actually recording what I'm doing underneath. So I could model something, how to use a protractor, how to construct letters, how to use a compass, anything I like, and that will save. What's really nice as well is when I stop, it will give me a preview and this saves into my videos. So I can quickly now show work and save this on a loop to play back. So very, very powerful. So you see here, I can put it on repeat if I wanted to. Really, really nice for video guys and keeping everyone on topic. So I'll close that down. The next thing I can do, as well as being able to capture from here, I have the ability to capture. So I can capture still images, so a good piece of work. I can just capture away. I can decide what, if I want it to be full HD or standard resolution, I'll capture, and there you go, it's captured that for me, so I can bring again that back at any time. So good for learning journeys or a history of work provided. I can also, if I'm working on a document, I can bring things like a visor on, so I can drag this and keep their focus. So I might say, right, I'd like you to concentrate on this question and then reveal back bit by bit answers, etc. to keep them on task. And finally, I can also compare my visualiser. So this is my live image. I might want to bring back one of my saved images. And then what I can actually do there is compare and contrast. So what I could do here is say, this is a certain level. Can we as a group peer assess each other to decide what we need to do to get this piece of work up to the standard of this piece of work? All in all, a really powerful solution. What's more as well, when I unplug, I simply wrap the unit back around itself. So very, very nice and neat and tidy if you want it to be portable. And then away I go. So there's our review of the Aver U50.